This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25DLC is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, leveling jacks, oven, external shower, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, skylight, LP detector, air conditioning, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25DLC is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.